The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council is back on wide alert. This with the situation back to normal after the Holy Week break. The zero casualty target for the period was, however, not met, as we hear from Aya Macalma.
The NDRRMC reports a significantly lower number of injuries during the Holy Week break, compared to last year's more than 500 persons injured in various accidents. Last week, 123, including 11 who were hospitalized due to carbon monoxide poisoning in Batangas. This year, the total number of fatalities from accidents was placed at 31, slightly higher than the 27 recorded during the Holy Week in 2013. Most of the fatalities were drowning victims. The others were due to various fire incidents and several vehicular accidents. NDRRMC Head Undersecretary Eduardo Del Rosario stressed the need for drivers of public utility vehicles to be more careful on the road to avoid accidents.
Ang karamihan dito, vehicular accidents. Sa vehicular accidents, ang namatay na sa atin because of vehicular is 13. The number of dead, hindi na pa rin natin na ma-attain yung sinasabi nating zero casualty. Simply because of the nationwide celebration of the Holy Week involving millions of nagkakaroon talaga ng vehicular accident dahil maraming bumibiyahe and then marami rin naliligo sa ilog at sa mga dagat. So hindi natin masyadong maiiwasan ito na talaga magkakaroon ng aksidente. Ang importante dito magkaroon tayo ng massive public awareness education campaign para yung mga nagbibiyahe, especially the drivers, to ensure na hindi sila intoxicated while driving.
Meanwhile, the NDRRMC said there were no casualties or damage from the strong earthquake that jolted Ilocos Sur early this morning. PHIVOX recorded the tremor at magnitude 5.9.
Yung 5.9 magnitude sa Ilocos, basically ang assessment ng PHIVOX, we expect no damage and we expect no aftershock.
For the People's Television, this is Waywaya Macalma.